Hi Microsoft team, my name is Dim Chutsanov, and in this short video I would like to give you a brief overview about Document Manager, my new product. So Document Manager is a Dynamics 365 add-in that extends the default integration between Dynamics 365 and SharePoint Online, and it provides advanced document management feature. It is built on the top of the default integration, which means that if you have the default integration already configured, you can safely install my product and enhance the functionality. If you are not happy with the add-in, you can always remove it and everything will be here. So as you can see, I just upload one file and the file is listed here. And this control is added through a web resource in an account form, entity form. If I navigate to the default documents, you will see that the file that I just uploaded will appear here. Also, from here, if we continue to work, for example, selecting something like this file, which was q4.4, this one, and now we go back to output to my control and refresh the documents, we will see it. So that's why I'm saying it works on the top of the default integration, because it reuses the features but as a configuration, but it brings more meaningful functionality, like the search, for example. When you click, you can always see the documents, and when you click, it is opened in the tab. So Document Manager is a tool that is going to extend the document management, and I'll bring more and more features. It also works with the new apps, so it works with all these apps. For example, if I go in Sales Hub, here is how I have added it, and again the same functionality and the same interface. And as I said, it is built with Office UI Fabric, so it looks native. How the users configure this? Well, I have a separate, it is installed as a managed solution, of course, and it has configuration interfaces. And I use as an authentication Azure AD. So once the add-in is installed, the Dynamics administrator can configure it. So here the add-in is also configured, but I give an information about the administrator that it can go in its Azure portal and view the permissions that already are granted to my app. If this is run for the first time, the user will see such interface where it will click authenticate, and in this pop-up, after it enters its credential, he will see the needed permission and he will need to give his consent. Another information that I would like to provide you is that I'm not new to the App Store. I currently have 3 apps submitted on the store, but they are all SharePoint add-ins. So I'm submitting for the first time Dynamics add-in. That's why I don't have access to the cloud portal. And one note about my existing apps, there is one add-in that is Doc Spotlight, and it brings very similar functionality like my new document manager. The reason behind this is that Doc Spotlight is absolutely free add-in, but the architecturally it is a different, because it is installed as SharePoint add-in, while my new product, which is Document Manager, it is Dynamics add-in, and it brings more functionality because its design is totally different. Yeah, so hopefully you will approve Document Manager and will give me access to the Cloud Partner Portal. Thank you.